As always, we're back with another hair video, y'all. Y'all already know I have to keep these hair videos coming out, okay? That's how I make the coin on the side. This is from the KY series collection, y'all. And it just says true self, real life, honey, okay? And this hair is giving me a real life. This hair is so bomb. I'm thinking about getting this hair and putting it back in my head next month for my surgery because it's just easy peasy. Put it in a bonnet, shake it out, and go. That's it. It is so cute, so versatile, and it's just giving me coming to America vibes. So this is a pretty curly pattern, and it is from Unice. So y'all, if y'all want to order some hair, don't forget to click in the description right below. Affordable, and it's curly. Affordable and curly. You can wet this hair. You can do a whole bunch of stuff with this hair, like a whole bunch of stuff. So I don't want to keep y'all long, and plus you're gonna learn how to do the reverse method, leaving no hair out with hair y'all. So if y'all want to see how to achieve this bomb look, easy, non-maintenance tutorial, non-maintenance on the real hair, then keep on watching.
You can see we already molded the hair. She's doing an up and down style. I already put the hair in a ponytail, added a little bit of braiding hair, braided 4 braids in the back, put the cap and the protective solution on top, let it dry for about 15-20 minutes. And now what I'm doing is just placing the track one by one, sizing them, and then cutting them. As you can see, I'm laying the tracks in a smiley face position. I'm not going straight across. I'm kind of slanting them up as I go around. We're going to do that all the way till I get to the top. And then I'm going to show you a reverse method because there's no hair left out, where I'm going to turn the track around and lay my curlers, and it'll just look like hairs on top. And that way you don't have to have any leave out. So right now we're going to just finish up. To do the reverse method. Now, you see, if I was just going to do it normal, I would go straight across and be done, but you'll be able to see the track. But now, I'm going to flip the track and they're going to meet like that. Here will cover the track. Now I'm gonna take my I could take my flat iron or anything to go over it some.